The 2023 Toyota GR Supra adds a new dimension to the driver experience thanks to a new 6-speed intelligent manual transmission option. Already a blend of performance, power and style, the 2023 Supra's addition of a stick shift brings hands-on engagement to the mix. It also holds to Toyota GAZOO Racing's ongoing tweaks to the 5th-generation Supra, with yet another update to the model that continues to make its mark in the sports car segment. The manual transmission is available as an option on the Supra 3.0 and Premium. Supra also adds to its head-turning looks with new colors and special editions. A limited A91 edition model will also be produced for model year 2023 only. Available colors will include all standard Supra colors plus a new Stratosphere blue color, which will also be available on Supra 2.0. The A91 Mount edition will be available in burnout, matted white, and see you later gray. The GR Supra's manual transmission was built with components designed specifically to suit the power and torque characteristics of its 3.0-liter 382 horsepower straight-six engine. The manual gearbox also features an intelligent manual transmission, IMT, programmed with new software that prioritizes sporty performance. When upshifting, the parameters are tuned to optimize engine torque at the moment of clutch engagement and release. On downshifts, the software includes rev matching for consistent performance. The IMT is set as the default, but, if the driver prefers, it can be switched off in individual mode. The result is response and gearing appropriate for sports car performance and a manufacturer estimated 0 to 60 time of 4.2 seconds. The GR Supra mount is arriving on dealer lots now with a manufacturer's suggested retail pricing, MSRP, starting at $52,500. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.